Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're at home, on the bus, or relaxing somewhere, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today's topic is going to transform the way you speak and write English.
Yes, today we are talking about adverbs.
Adverbs. That might sound like a big grammar word, but don't worry at all.
We are going to make this so simple and so clear that by the end of this episode, you'll be using adverbs naturally and confidently in your everyday English.
If you're a complete beginner, perfect. This is made for you.
And if you're intermediate, great. There is plenty here to learn and review.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a simple and natural way, please like this episode, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Kantilata for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much @Kantilata Bakati. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
Okay, let's go. Adverbs are waiting for us.
First, what is an adverb? Let's answer this in the simplest way possible.
You already know that nouns are words for things and people. Dog, city, teacher.
Verbs are action words. Run, eat, speak.
Adjectives describe nouns. Big dog, beautiful city, good teacher.
So where do adverbs fit?
Adverbs are words that give more information about verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs.
They answer questions like how, when, where, how often, how much.
Think of adverbs as helpers. They add color and detail to your sentences.
Simple example. She runs. Okay, we know she runs.
She runs quickly. Now we know how she runs. Quickly is the adverb.
He spoke. Fine, we know he spoke.
He spoke softly. Now we know how he spoke. Softly is the adverb.
Can you see? Adverbs make your English richer and more interesting.
And here's wonderful news. You already use adverbs every day. Words like very, always, never, here, now, quickly, well. These are all adverbs.
So you already know more than you think. Let's just make it official. Now let's talk about the different types of adverbs, what jobs they do.
Type number 1, adverbs of manner. These describe how something is done.
She sings beautifully. How does she sing? Beautifully.
He drives carefully. How? Carefully.
Please speak slowly. How? Slowly.
They work hard. How? Hard.
Adverbs of manner usually come after the verb or after the object.
She speaks English fluently. After the object, English.
He answered correctly. After the verb, easy.
Type number 2, adverbs of time. These tell us when something happens.
Common ones are today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, soon, already, still, recently, finally, immediately.
I will call you tomorrow. She has already eaten. He finally passed his driving test. I will be there soon.
Adverbs of time can go at the beginning or end of a sentence. Both are correct.
Today, I will study hard. Or, I will study hard today. Both are natural and correct.
Adverbs of place tell us where something happens.
Common ones are here, there, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, upstairs, abroad, nearby.
Come here. She is waiting outside. I put my keys somewhere and now I can't find them. They searched everywhere.
Adverbs of place usually go after the verb or after the object. Very simple.
Now, type number 4, adverbs of frequency. These tell us how often something happens.
These are extremely important. Native speakers use these constantly.
Let me put them in order from most to least frequent. Always, 100%. I always brush my teeth before bed.
Usually, most of the time. She usually drinks coffee in the morning.
Often, many times. We often go for walks on weekends.
Rarely, not very often. I rarely eat fast food.
Never, 0%. She never smokes.
Now, here is a very important grammar rule. Listen carefully.
Adverbs of frequency go before the main verb, but after the verb to be. I always wake up at 7, before the main verb wake.
She never eats meat, before the main verb eats.
He is always late, after the to be verb is.
They are usually very kind, after are.
Before the main verb, after to be. Remember this rule, it will serve you for life. Now, type number 5, adverbs of degree. These tell us how much something is.
Words like very, quite, extremely, fairly, rather, too, enough, so, really, almost.
These go before the adjective or adverb they are describing.
She is very beautiful. This is extremely difficult. He speaks too fast. Too means it's a problem. She is so happy.
These are used constantly in spoken English. You'll hear them every single day. Now let's talk about how to form adverbs. This is very helpful.
Most adverbs are formed by taking an adjective and adding ly to the end. Adjective plus ly equals adverb.
Quick becomes quickly. Slow becomes slowly. Careful becomes carefully. Beautiful becomes beautifully.
When the adjective ends in y, change the y to I before adding ly.
Happy becomes happily. Easy becomes easily. Heavy becomes heavily.
When the adjective ends in le, like gentle, drop the e and add y.
Gentle becomes gently. Simple becomes simply. Terrible becomes terribly.
Now you can create hundreds of adverbs from adjectives you already know.
But not all adverbs end in ly. Fast, hard, early, late, well, still are already adverbs without ly.
And be careful, some ly words are actually adjectives. Friendly, lovely, lonely, lively. These are adjectives even though they end in ly.
Let's talk about one very special and very confusing pair, good and well.
This is one of the most common mistakes even advanced learners make, so pay close attention.
Good is an adjective. It describes a noun.
Well is an adverb. It describes a verb. It tells you how something is done.
She is a good singer. Good describes singer, a noun, adjective.
She sings well. Well describes sings, a verb, adverb.
Wrong. She sings good. No. Good cannot describe the verb sings.
Correct. She sings well. Always.
Wrong. He speaks English good. Incorrect.
Correct. He speaks English well. Much better and correct.
Simple rule. For action verbs, use well, not good.
She dances well. He works well under pressure. The team played well today.
Practice this every day and it will become natural very quickly. Now let's cover the most common mistakes with adverbs. This section will save you.
Mistake number 1, using an adjective instead of an adverb after an action verb.
Wrong. He drives careful. Careful is an adjective. You need the adverb.
Correct. He drives carefully. Add ly.
Always ask, am I describing a noun or a verb? Noun needs an adjective. Verb needs an adverb.
Mistake number 2, confusing good and well, as we just covered.
Wrong. You did good on the test. Correct. You did well on the test.
Mistake number 3, putting adverbs of frequency in the wrong position.
Wrong. I always brush my teeth. Always is in the wrong place.
Correct. I always brush my teeth. Before the main verb.
Wrong. She always is happy. After is, not before.
Correct. She is always happy. After the to be verb.
Mistake number 4, confusing to and very.
Very makes something stronger, no problem implied.
Too means more than what is good or acceptable. There is a problem.
This coffee is very hot. It's hot, and that's fine. I can drink it.
This coffee is too hot. I can't drink it. That's a problem.
Wrong. She is very tired to go out. Use too here.
Correct. She is too tired to go out. Too shows it is preventing action.
Mistake number 5, adding ly to fast, hard, late, and early.
These words are already adverbs. Do not add ly.
Wrong. She runs fastly. Fastly is not a real word.
Correct. She runs fast. Just fast.
And this one is tricky. Hardly is a real word, but it means almost not at all. Not the same as hard.
Wrong. He works hardly. This means he almost doesn't work.
Correct. He works hard. Very different meanings. Be careful.
Mistake number 6, placing the adverb between the verb and its object.
Wrong. She eats quickly her food. The adverb jumped in the wrong spot.
Correct. She eats her food quickly. Adverb goes after the object.
Never separate the verb from its object with an adverb. Keep the verb and object together.
Now let's practice with a real natural conversation. Listen and notice all the adverbs.
Alex, you look really tired today. Are you okay?
I'm absolutely exhausted. I barely slept last night. I kept waking up constantly.
Oh no, what happened?
I was terribly stressed about a presentation this morning. I prepared carefully, but I still felt very nervous.
I completely understand. I always feel that way before big presentations. How did it go?
Actually, it went surprisingly well. My boss said I spoke clearly and confidently, and the clients responded very positively.
That's wonderful. You must feel so relieved now.
Incredibly relieved. And honestly, I'm already looking forward to the weekend. I'm going to sleep in tomorrow and do absolutely nothing.
That sounds perfectly reasonable. You definitely deserve some rest.
Let's count some of the adverbs in that conversation.
Really tired. Really is an adverb of degree.
Absolutely exhausted. Absolutely is an adverb of degree.
Barely slept. Barely means almost not at all. Adverb of degree.
Constantly waking up. Constantly is an adverb of frequency.
Carefully prepared. Carefully is an adverb of manner.
Surprisingly well. Surprisingly is degree. Well is manner.
Clearly and confidently. Both adverbs of manner.
Look at how many adverbs appeared in just one short conversation. Native speakers use adverbs constantly, and now you will too. Let's do some fill-in-the-blank practice to build your confidence.
Number 1. She completed the exam blank. She did it in a correct way.
She completed the exam correctly. Adverb of manner.
Number 2. I blank watch horror movies. 0% of the time.
I never watch horror movies. Adverb of frequency.
Number 3. He is blank kind to everyone. 100% of the time.
He is always kind to everyone. After is, remember the rule.
Number 4. The music is blank loud. I can't concentrate.
The music is too loud. It's more than acceptable. It's a problem.
Number 5. She dances blank for someone who just started learning.
She dances well. Not good. Well for action verbs. Excellent. You're doing so well. See that? Well, adverb. Let's give you your confidence-building plan for mastering adverbs.
Week 1. Focus on adverbs of frequency. Every day, make 5 sentences about your daily routine using always, usually, often, sometimes, and never.
For example, I always drink water in the morning. I sometimes eat breakfast late. I never skip my evening walk.
Week 2. Focus on adverbs of manner. Describe how you do everyday things.
I walk to work quickly. I cook slowly because I enjoy it. I speak to my friends happily.
Week 3. Practice adverbs of degree. Very, quite, extremely, to, so.
I was extremely tired yesterday. The weather is quite cold. This lesson is so helpful.
Week 4. Mix all types and tell a short story about your day using as many adverbs as you can.
Even one sentence a day is real progress. Be patient and kind with yourself. Let's do a final review.
What is an adverb? A word that gives more information about a verb, adjective, or another adverb, answering how, when, where, how often, or how much.
5 types. Manner, how, quickly, carefully, well. Time, when, yesterday, soon, already, finally. Place, where, here, outside, everywhere. Frequency, how often, always, usually, sometimes, never. Degree, how much, very, extremely, quite, so.
Forming adverbs. Adjective plus ly. Quick, quickly, happy, happily, gentle, gently. But fast, hard, early, late, well are already adverbs. Never add ly.
Good versus well. Good for nouns, well for action verbs. She is a good student. She studies well.
Position. Frequency adverbs before main verb, after to be. Never put adverb between verb and object.
To versus very. Very is stronger. To is more than acceptable. It's a problem.
Adverbs make your English expressive, colorful, and natural. Use them every single day.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.
Write 3 sentences using different types of adverbs. We read every single comment.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker made the same mistakes you're making right now, and they kept going. So keep going too.
We'll see you next week on English the Natural Way.
Until then, keep learning. And remember, you are doing absolutely amazingly well. And yes, absolutely, amazingly, and well are all adverbs. They really are. Everywhere.
Adverbs truly are everywhere.
They absolutely are. Bye, everyone.
Bye.